ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. We are doing linear equations in 2 variables. In that we are doing very important type, reducible to linear equations type, very important from the examination point of view. We are now doing one problem from the examination which is written on the board. Solve 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. This is the problem. You can do it by 1 or 2 methods. So, let us try to do this by substitution method. Can you see 1 by x here and here? 1 by x? Yes. 1 by y here and 1 by y here. So, can we substitute 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b? What do you get? 2 by x is 2 into 1 by x, it is 2a, am I right? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. Have you understood this or not? So, what did we do? We wrote for 1 by x a. That means 1 by x is taken as a, 1 by y is taken as b. Is it possible? Yes, provided x and y are non-zeros. If x equal to 0, what happens? 1 by 0 is equal to a, 1 by 0 is undefined quantity, infinity. So, 2 by x is infinity, 3 by y is infinity plus infinity is 13, which is absurd. So, this problem indirectly says that it is x is non-zero, y is non-zero. That is the reason you have to solve it to get values of x and y. So, this assumption is correct. You can assume it and proceed further. 2a, 5a, 3b, 4b. What do we do? Shall we multiply the first equation by 5? Call it as 1, call it as 2. First equation is multiplied by 5. 5 into 1 equation gives what? 5 into 2, 10a. 5 into 3, 15b is equal to 65. Second equation is multiplied by what? 5a. 5a is multiplied by what? 2. So, second equation is multiplied by 2. 2 into 5a, 10a. 2 into minus 4, minus 8b is equal to 2 into 2, minus 4. First equation is multiplied by 5. 5 into 13 is 65. So, now what to do? 10a and 10a must get cancelled. For that, what to do? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction. 10a minus 10a is 0, gone. This is now plus, this is plus. 15 plus 8b, 23b is equal to 65 plus 4, 69. Am I right? What is b? 69 by 23. How many times? 3 into 20 is 60, 3 into 3. So, the answer is b is equal to 3. So, when b is equal to 3, how to get a value? Substitute here 2a plus 3b 3 into b, what is b? 3 is equal to 13. 2a plus 9 is equal to 13. 2a is equal to 13 minus 9, 4. A is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2. What is a? We got a is equal to 2, implies what is a? 1 by x equal to a. 2 implies x is equal to 1 by 2. What is b? 3 implies 1 by y is equal to 3, implies y is equal to 1 by 3. So, you are asked to find the value of x and y, which is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. This is the answer. All of you write down this and you get the answer like this. The same problem can be done by like this.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
I will try doing the same problem in a different method. If you are comfortable, you can learn, even you can do in the same way. Solve this problem in any way you get it. I have solved it by reducing it to two linear equations in terms of a and b. After that, solved it. Solved the two linear equations in a and b, got a and b values, got it. So, shall we do the same problem in a different method? So, I am writing the same problem again in a different method. Solve 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 2, minus 2. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. In the earlier problem, in the earlier method, we substituted and got the value. Now, I do not want to substitute. Take the first equation, call it as first equation, second equation. First equation is, what is the LCM of this x, y? 2y plus 3x is equal to 13. Can we write this as 2y plus 3x is equal to 13xy, or this can be written as 3x plus 2y is equal to 13xy. You put it in a box. Now, take the second equation. Equation 2 is changed as 5 by x minus 4 by y. What is the LCM? xy. What is this? 5y minus 4x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, 5y minus 4x is equal to minus 2xy. Multiply it by minus 4x minus 5y is equal to 2xy. Now, given equations 1 and 2 are, what is the first equation after simplification? 3x plus 2y is equal to 13xy. 4x minus 5y is equal to 2xy. Have you understood this? I have changed the equations into two different linear equations in a different way. This kind of problems we have already done. Call it as Roman 1, call it as Roman 2. How to eliminate? So, first multiply this by 4, this by 3. First equation, Roman 1 is multiplied by what? 4. Roman 2 is multiplied by 3. This is Roman 1 and Roman 2. First equation multiplied by 4. 4 into 3, 12x plus 8y is equal to 52xy. Second equation is multiplied by 3. 3 into 4, 12x minus 15y is equal to 3 into 2, 6xy. How to get rid of x? Subtraction or addition? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. 12 minus 12 gone. 8 plus 15, 23y is equal to 52 minus 6. What is this? 52 minus 6, 46xy. Y is also gone. X is equal to 23 by 46. This is x is equal to 1 by 2. X value is 1 by 2. Now, how to get y value? Substitute x is equal to 1 by 2. Where do you substitute? Here. 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2y is equal to 13 into 1 by 2 y. Substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in Roman 1. So, x equal to 1 by 2 is substituted here. So, this is 3 by 2 plus 2y is equal to 13 by 2y. 2y is taken that side. 3 by 2 is 13 by 2y minus 2y. So, LCM is 2, 13y minus 4y. 13 minus 4, 9y by 2. So, bring this 9y is equal to 3 by 2 into 2, 2 gets cancelled. This is 3. Y is equal to 3 by 9, therefore, y is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. You can compare it with the earlier question also. Both ways you are going to get the same answer. Any method you can do it. Earlier method is substitution method, replacing x and y in terms of a and b and proceeding further and getting the answer. Here it is cross multiplication and simplification. Copy down this problem.